Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPCL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And the requests are still coming in. And again, just as I talked about in yesterday's video, more confirmation today that, yeah, a reversal is in progress. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that the reversal can never be broken. I'm not saying that the bulls can never regain control or anything like that. I'm just simply saying that, it is what it is. The price is now put in lower lows and lower highs once again. So that's why I say this downtrend continues, and, it's a reversal at this point in time. So first, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, get rid of that line here. Yes, those lines still pertain, but in the spirit of not having clutter all over the place with a million lines, want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update that needs to be made is just based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 006 right there as a level of support. But again, now that the price has broken below it right there and then stayed below it, that's going to be the initial area of resistance. If the bulls can manage to, fight back through 006, next key overall level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. But as it stands right now, no point in really talking about doing battle with the 50-period simple moving average, when you still have to, get back above that 006 mark. Now let's talk about some areas of support, and for this, actually going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit so you can see where these next potential areas are. And as you can see, going quite a bit of ways back into the chart's history. Whoops, didn't mean to do two of those. So next key level, let's see, right there, it looks like the price. Okay, and that's where it bounced from today, 004. Why does that make sense? Well, if you kind of squint and look real close here during this crazy day where the price fell, 004 is right where it, found some support before finally starting to bounce back upwards. And then again today, so good to see that the bulls are indeed, at least at this point, holding 004 as support. So that's definitely the initial area that you want to see hold. If that cannot hold, the next key level of support to keep an eye on would be down at that point, which sits at 003. So 004, 003, next two key levels of support. Again, yes, it's reversing. Yes, it's in a reversal, but that doesn't mean that the bulls can't stabilize and then regain control. But the first step in quote-unquote regaining control would definitely be getting back up above 006. So we'll see how things close out the week tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.